Welcome. We're here on the Biscit product portal looking at EKW, Epicor Kinetic Warehouse. On the left hand side here, if we expand this out, in today's session we're looking at the installation guide. So let's open this up. This will take us through to a public page that starts with the changelog, and then on the left hand side here we can go into the actual installation guide itself. A number of things. Obviously, this is designed for an administrator level, but it takes you through how to identify and find your REST URL. An important piece for administrators is, if we look at the server-side configuration here, in particular, the second box down talks about the available authentication methods, including basic authentication, Azure Active Directory, and for Epicor Cloud customers, Epicor Identity. And the Epicor Kinetic Warehouse document, let's go back here, will then, from the server-side configuration, will then take you through and has guides for the different areas. We're not here to look at the details of each of these steps, rather to introduce the Biscit product portal as a way of getting access to this technical information for use for your installation, for your configuration, and how to fit Epicor Kinetic Warehouse into your corporate infrastructure. That includes any firewall setups that you may actually need to have. Device management, a key piece here. In previous videos we've talked about mobile device management platforms, MDM platforms, or how you can use the Biscit product portal as a basic version of that to see what devices you have Epicor Kinetic Warehouse installed on and what's the application version. And then further, as we go down through this, installing EKW from Google Play, how to disable automatic updates on that, or more importantly, how to download EKW via the downloads functionality on the Biscit product portal platform. And then finally, recommended devices. Obviously, Epicor Kinetic Warehouse will run on an Android device, including a smartphone. However, to take maximum advantage of its functionality, there are three barcode scanning platforms, Keyence, Honeywell, and Zebra, that have Android-based devices. And the guide at the bottom, recommended devices, will take you through how to set up specific functionality for those, such as for taking maximum advantage of the barcode scanning engine that is built into these devices. So again, from your let's go back here, from your Biscit product portal, Epicor Kinetic Warehouse installation guide will take you here, and then once we've, from the changelog on the left hand side, we can access the guide itself, and then if you can bookmark this into part of your favorites, so you're then able to access that on an as needs basis.